Global platform, one vision, WuXi STA. As an integral part of WuXi AppTec, WuXi STA is a global leading contract development and manufacturing organization offering broad chemical, manufacturing, and control solutions, including drug substance, drug product, analytical, and regulatory CMC filing support, from preclinical to commercial. We currently have 4 process R&D and manufacturing facilities in China and 1 in San Diego, USA. Founded in 2003, WuXi STA has established an industry-leading process, research, and development team of more than 1,000 scientists. Our comprehensive drug substance enabling technology platform includes crystallization and particle engineering, biocatalysis, chemocatalysis, continuous process, and the preparative HPLC and SFC. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in Xinshan and Changzhou, China, as well as San Diego, USA, have more than 1,000 cubic meters total reactor volume combined to support the API and advanced intermediates production from kilo to hundreds of metric ton scales. WuXi STA's drug product platform supports solid dosage development with a variety of bioavailability enhancing technologies such as spray-dried dispersion, hot melt extrusion, nanosuspensions, and lipid formulation. Our drug product manufacturing facilities located in Shanghai Waigaoqiao Free Trade Zone and Wuxi City in China are capable to manufacture billions of doses a year across a variety of dosage forms. In addition to small molecules, WuXi STA also expanded into building platforms to support new and complex molecule modalities, including antibody-drug conjugates, oligonucleotides, and peptides. We now have established a comprehensive one-stop platform to support the process R&D and manufacture of oligonucleotide and peptide APIs from preclinical to commercial. WuXi STA remains committed to meeting the highest global regulatory and quality standards across all sites, passing inspections by all major regulatory agencies globally. Today, our integrated CMC platform supports more than 420 global customers, including hundreds of early phase programs, 40 phase 3, and 21 commercial programs. We provide our customers time and cost savings through streamlined processes, reduced risk with same high quality and EHS systems across all sites, and improved efficiency with simplified single partner supply chain. Our goal is to become your trusted global partner, fulfill the dream that every drug can be made and every disease can be treated. Toward this dream, we look forward to partnering with you to create a better future for all mankind.